In this lesson, I will show you the software and the tools you will need for this course. It is important to have your development environment set up correctly before you start. Therefore, I will leave links to detailed setup instructions in the description. The first and most important software you will need is Visual Studio 2022. This is the latest version of the IDE at the time of recording. You will need Visual Studio 2022 to create your projects, manage your code and project files, and even use third-party libraries for more advanced features within your applications. The second software you will need for this course is SQL Server with SQL Server Management Studio. The latest version at the time of recording is SQL Server 2022. I will be using the Developer Edition, and I recommend you do the same. As I said before, I will leave a link to the download website, and the installation is straightforward. We will need SQL Server to manage the database we will use alongside our web APIs. To save our work safely, we need a version control system. One example of such a system is Git. Git is a distributed version control system that enables development teams to have multiple local copies of the project's codebase independent of each other. To use Git on your machine, you need to visit the Git website, which is git-scm.com, and choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Again, installation is a straightforward process. Just click through and you'll be fine. Finally, you need to create an account on the GitHub website. GitHub is a Git repository hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere. Now that you have all your software and tools ready, we can proceed with creating our first web API in the next lesson. See you then.